Okay, so here we have the Park Avenue Railroad Crossing in Roselle, Illinois. WCA's signal base, WCA's gate mechanism, WRS, and what WCA's lights. Safe tram signal base, WCA's gate mechanism, WRS, and a safe tram mechanical gun, and WCA's lights, and most importantly, this crossing. A gate mechanism is higher than lowers the gate, so cool counterweights, huh? More cool counterweights. And those are 12 by 20 inch lights. Maybe those are 12 by 24, maybe 8, maybe 12. So I think that's it for the Park Avenue Railroad Crossing in Roselle, Illinois. So, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. And now, thank you. Thank you for watching.